My people, Baba, lower I'm small. Today is March 6th, 2026. We are inside Oswell and I'm just trying to show you how peaceful everywhere has become. Those of you from these places, you will know here. As you can see, people are moving. You see the girls, people moving around. Before, you will not see anybody here, let alone all these little girls. All these little being kidnapped, you know what I mean? And they will also RAPE them. You see the old woman passing. People are now moving around comfortably. You all should come back. Those of you from Osu Itoka, especially, everywhere now is safe for movement, especially if you are from Odumeje's own community. As you can see, people are just moving around with their lives. You see those people. Sorry, I don't go mistakenly. You see how everyone is living their lives, you know, moving around comfortably. Life has returned this weekend. If you are from also LGA, except those of you from Edenta with them. But if you are from Oda, Ihituka, some place in Ihituka towards that Anglican church, after the hall, that place has been cleared. By tomorrow evening, it will be completely accessible via vehicles or any other thing, another means of transportation. So we'll continue the clearance operation from tomorrow evening. So as you can see, his welder is doing, you can hear his welding, the sound of his welding machine. People are now back living their lives. You will, and that's thanks to the presence of the army, the police. You see people moving around there, the DSS, the vigilante. You know, so you see all these ones. People are now moving around. Everyone, you know, before in the past, that motorcycle, they will just stop it and steal it. Many of you will recognize these places I'm showing you right now. So you will recognize this road. Hope you all will recognize this. Let me pause it now till we get to another landmark. So I didn't even know that I was even recording. See the place. Okay, this is the checkpoint. Let me take it down to avoid showing. Those are the checkpoints. Oh, like I said, you see we are just gone past the security forces. I'm sure many of you from Osu will recognize the place we are going through. You understand? This is the Osu LG. You see it. So that's also, you can see this church. I hope you recognize this church. Let me see the name of the church. Let me go. See, you see people are playing football in the church. So that's the small update from Osu LGM.